love making foil pouches. It might be a little more work, but when you start with creamer potatoes from the Little Potato Company, it makes it much easier because they're pre-washed, you don't need to peel them, they taste amazing, and they're nutritious. For this, I like to use the best of both worlds. I'm using aluminum foil for its protective power against the flames, and I like to use parchment paper for its non-stick surface. So if you have a heavy-duty foil, just one layer. But if you got that regular stuff, double it up, makes it stronger. This is my favorite part, flavoring. You can add whatever you want. Fresh herbs, spices. Today, I'm going for onions and garlic, olive oil, a bit of salt and pepper, and I'm ready to fold. Start from the bottom, go all the way to the end, and you're gonna start to do some small folds. And what we want is to create a pressure cooker. So we want that intensity and that heat to stay inside. So there has to be no way for the steam and the heat to exit this pouch. Once you get to the side, you can fold them in a half moon. Same thing on this side. And your pouch is ready to go on the grill. Time to decide how we're gonna grill our pouch. You can go direct heat, where you're gonna get that nice crispy texture, or you can go indirect heat, where you're gonna have more of a tender and moist texture. Just be sure that if you're going direct heat above the flame, you need to flip that halfway through so you don't burn your potatoes. All we need to do now is close the lid, keep it at 400 for 22 minutes, and don't poke it. Trust it. Until then, you got time to do your other things. So our pouch is ready to be taken off the grill. And now, when you open your pouch, just be careful. A lot of steam in there. Here we go. Time to plate. Just lay that beautiful bed of flavor and aroma in there. Simple things, just onions and garlic and creamer potatoes. I like to finish with a little salt, little pepper, and this is ready for my family.